Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bad Blood on the recorder. First, let's identify the core notes you'll need and their fingerings. We'll then break down the main melody into manageable sections, focusing on rhythm and timing. Finally, I'll share some effective practice tips to help you master the song quickly and confidently. Get ready to make some music. Let's start with the essential notes for Bad Blood. The note B is made by covering the thumb hole and the first hole on your recorder. For A, you'll cover the thumb hole and the first 2 holes. To play G, cover the thumb hole and the first 3 holes. Finally, for E, cover the thumb hole and the first 4 holes. Practice these fingerings until they feel natural and smooth. Now, let's dive into the melody and rhythm. The core melody of Bad Blood primarily uses the notes B, A, G, and E. Focus on the rhythm, which includes a mix of quarter notes and eighth notes. Try practicing the opening phrase, Bia Gia BBA. The song's tempo is moderately fast, around 120 beats per minute, so start slowly and gradually increase your speed. To truly master Bad Blood on your recorder, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day. Using a metronome will help you keep a steady tempo and improve your rhythm. Listening to the original song will help you internalize the melody and overall feel. Once you're comfortable, try playing along with a backing track for a fun and engaging experience. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it perfectly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.